Whenever I mention that this condition can cause odor, pain, and certain habits could make it worse, I get ripped a new one. Hi, I'm your local OBGYN. I love women. And let's talk about hidradenitis suppurativa. It's a mouthful, okay? It is a chronic inflammatory condition of the skin. It's primarily located in the groin and under the armpits, and it can be exquisitely painful and embarrassing for women. This is not something that you can hygienically remove, okay? The most common reasons that this can occur for a person is genetics in the family, something hormonal, they have an immune system response that can lead to it. There's a lot of shaming and weight that has a small contribution, and smoking status, but there's other immunologic things that we don't understand why they are at play. Now, what happens is you get these tiny little collections that can, again, open up in the armpits and the groin, and then they can get super infected on top of it, and they can create these tunnels that can be mild initially, but usually progressively get worse and worse over time. So what are you supposed to do if you have this or you think you have this? All right, number one, get a diagnosis, okay? There are some cleansers, not for hygiene, but for reducing the risk of these things getting super infected. There are some antibiotic routines that can be beneficial. We level up when we go to dermatology, and they can consider doing something like an immune infusion to reduce the chance of these becoming these larger tunnels that are deeper, that can become quite painful and quite scarring to an individual. Some women end up needing to do the big thing, which is going for a surgical resection of these areas, where they're literally getting this tissue cut out of their armpits and their groin in order to reduce the tunnels that are there and the recurrences. It is very painful. It is very embarrassing. It is not something that you can lose weight and make suddenly better, and it is not something you can scrub away even if you have the most perfect hygiene in the land.